This is something I thought would never happen, and I certainly didn't wish for it to happen. And I just wish that people could be a little happier and like take a joke, take life a little lighter. She's never had a discussion with me about not feeling comfortable with it. I thought we were pretty comfortable since I've been doing this act for 15 years, so I didn't see this coming. I felt sick to my stomach. I was sickened. This is my children's grandmother, and I just didn't understand why. I just thought maybe a phone call would suffice. We're family. We're supposed to be family. So that's what you do to a stranger. That's what you do to someone who makes incredibly horrible jokes about you, being vicious on stage, and I don't consider my act vicious at all.
Because you see, ladies and gentlemen, I have a Jewish mother-in-law. That's right, baby. You got it, that's right. There is something wrong with a black woman with a Jewish mother-in-law. Because the only thing we have in common is that we don't want to get our hair wet. And only the Persians get that joke. And black people, you can laugh about that. So there was major drama when we got the sonogram results because she was very excited. You know, Jewish mothers tend to get a little overdramatic. Okay, now that we know we're having a little girl, I would like to know what you plan on naming our little Chachka, okay? Now, I realize there's a difference in the background with the African-American, colored, whatever you people call yourselves these days. But I don't want a name that's difficult to pronounce like Shaniqua. Because I'm thinking of a name short but delicious like Hadassah or Goldie. Check this out. You don't have to be black to know that's a jacked up name to be given to little black kids. I mean, can you imagine my daughters uptown in Harlem with their cousins Rashid and Rashida? They're gonna be like, yo, Hadassah, yo, Goldie, my sisters, what's up?
In fact, I'm a family act.
First of all, as an attorney, there's nothing defamatory in anything that's been said. And secondly, they know what's been said for years. Nothing's changed. It's a reflection of Sunda's reaction to their reaction to Sunda.
As a comedian, this lawsuit has definitely stifled my creativity because it's all about my life. This is my life. How does somebody tell me not to talk about my life? It just so happens you're my mother-in-law, okay? But it's my life. And this is how I see it. And it just so happens that I'm black, you're Jewish, and I make jokes, and that's the worlds that collide. And it's wonderful. It's so eye-opening for the audience, I have to tell you. There's so many things people don't know.
From our personal experience with my family, race is still a very large issue in America, at least on the individual basis. And I think that's, to a large extent, what it may be about with my mother. We didn't follow a traditional, conventional relationship that she found appropriate.
I have no regrets. I have no regrets. I've got to thank her for giving me a beautiful husband, a wonderful husband, who's just wonderful with my children, and two beautiful children. And the times that we did share that were fun, I'm going to miss them. I'm not very happy right now, I can tell you that.